Want to import LinkedIn profile data to Airtable automatically? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Airtable to the Enrich Layer API with Data Fetcher, so you can import names, headlines, summaries, and profile pictures, and keep everything updated automatically. Start by creating a table in Airtable called People. Add a field called LinkedIn Profile with type set to URL. Paste in the LinkedIn profile URLs you want to import data from. Next, create a grid view called Needs Info. Now let's add the following filters. Set name to is empty, and set LinkedIn profile to is not empty. Open your Airtable base and go to Tools, Extensions, add an extension. Search for Data Fetcher, click Add, then Add Extension. Sign up for a free account with your email or Google account, or log in if you already have one. Once Data Fetcher is open, click Create your first request. In the Application dropdown, search for and select Enrich Layer. Enrich Layer is a LinkedIn data API for importing profiles, company info, and contacts into Airtable. It uses a credit system, and if you used Proxy Curl before, your same API keys and credits still work. Sign up for Enrich Layer and copy your API key after signing up. Paste the key under Authorization in Data Fetcher. You'll need credits on your account since each LinkedIn lookup uses a credit. For endpoint, select Full Person Profiles for LinkedIn Person Profile URLs. Click Save and Continue. Click the plus icon under LinkedIn Person Profile URL. Under Table, select People. For Field, select LinkedIn Profile. For Run for every record in view, select Needs Info. Then click Confirm. Keep fallback to cache on error turned on. If something goes wrong with a live request, this option will pull older data from Enrich Layer's database instead. Next, choose your cache preference under Use Cache. If it's set to If Present, which is the default, Data Fetcher will use cached data no matter how old it is, and it won't cost any extra credits. If you switch it to If Recent, Data Fetcher will only use data that's less than 29 days old. That gives you fresher results, but it does cost 1 extra credit. Make sure Output Table and View is set to People and Needs Info, then click Save and Run. The Response Field Mapping window will open. Start by clicking Deselect All, then choose the fields you want to import. For this tutorial, we'll map Profile Picture and keep it as a new field. Full name, map it to the existing name field. Next, we'll choose Headline and Summary. If we toggle Show Selected First, we can see all the fields we just mapped in. Click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will now create these fields and import LinkedIn profile data to Airtable. Records will be processed and disappear from the Needs Info view. You can then switch to the main grid view to see all the updated profiles. Right now, you need to click Run each time to fetch new profiles. Let's automate this using Data Fetcher's Triggers feature. Triggers are part of the paid plan, so first you need to upgrade your account. After upgrading, open Data Fetcher. Go to the Trigger tab and click Authorize. Select all resources and click Grant Access. Next, check the Record Created box. For Table, choose People. For View, choose Needs Info. Click Save. Now, whenever you add a new LinkedIn profile URL, Data Fetcher will automatically fetch the profile data and update your Airtable base, and that's it. Your LinkedIn profiles are now updating automatically in Airtable. Whether you're managing a sales list, a recruiting pipeline, or a community directory, the data will stay current without any manual copy-pasting from LinkedIn.